Naka-attend na ako ng simbahan. I'm just waiting for John Mark na napakatagal. As in, eme lang. Wala lang. Ang tagal niya lang. Wow, so dami. Ang dami-dami. 160 lang yan. Kay Erica, kay John Mark. Ang dami-dami.
Hindi ko pa yan mag-save.
Bilangin ka, order ka, Clouds. Mag-hi ka, Mark. Hi, it's Monday again and ayun, medyo tinamad ako mag-film ng Get Ready With Me for Instagram, kaya ayun, ewan ko ba, I'm just finishing all the brands collaboration this month and then I have to focus na on reviewing kasi if I don't, ay naku, consequences na naman siya. So who will bear the consequences? Who will suffer the consequences? It's me, diba? So I have to choose what will benefit me the most in the future. So I choose reviewing. So ayan, bye-bye! Kamote Q, Milo, kamote. Si Mama niluto. So yummy. Hi everyone, today is January 29, 2025 and I'll be doing the all-nighter challenge kasi ang dami kong gagawin, tatapusin, and dapat matapos. I have 3 assignments. Grabe 2 million. Sana all. First task done. I'm on my second task now. Yes! Yes! Finally, nakuha ko rin yung tamang result. Nakuha ko rin yung result na hinihingi naman. 2 million dapat. Pero kasi kapag nangyayari yan minsan. Pero 7:37 na. Ang bala ko nga 7:30 nandun ako sa school. Pero gawa, maliligo na ako. Ay, kaya yan. Dahil pa akong gagawin na assignment. Pero kaya lang.